Hi, I'm Jason. Hope you're doing good. If you're trying to start dropshipping but feel overwhelmed by product research, inventory, suppliers, and automation, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to use AutoDS for dropshipping, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find products, import them to your store, automate fulfillment, and actually run this the right way. To kick things off, what is AutoDS? AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation tool. In simpler terms, it helps you find products, import them to your store, update pricing automatically, and stock and fulfill orders also automatically. So no more manual labor. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up. Now let's dive in. Once on the home page, to create an account is quite straightforward. You're going to tap right where you see enter email and you're going to put in your email, then you're going to tap on start dropshipping. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you can select the channel that you'll be selling on, basically where you want your store. So whether you want to sell on Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Wix, Facebook Marketplace, WooCommerce, Etsy, you have different options. So let's say we want to sell on Shopify. All I'll need to do is simply select Shopify. After you have tapped on Shopify, from here you can select the plan that you'd like to use. So we're going to be selecting monthly, and then you can see different pricing options. So you have the $26 plan, which starts now for 99 cents. So don't get frightened by the $26. You also have the starter plan for $39, and you have the advanced plan. With the import plan, with the starter plan better yet, you'll be able to import 200 products. With the other plan, you'll be able to import 500 products, and with the advanced plan, you'll be able to import over 1,000 products. So let's say, for example's sake, we'll be starting with this one right here. So we're just going to tap on start now. After you have selected start now, from here you will need to fill in your payment information. You can choose to pay via card, PayPal, or Payoneer. Once you have entered in the payment information, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can tell them how you came across AutoDS. So for example, you could select YouTube. And then from there, you could type in my name, simple answers. So we're just going to tap on Google for example's sake. And we'll just tap on continue. After you have done that, which types of products do you plan to sell? And you can select the category that you want to go in. So let's say, for example, my category will be electronics and gadgets, and we'll tap on continue. After that, what are your main goals for using AutoDS? So you have, I want to learn how to run my dropshipping store. You have different options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I want to select this one, and you can select multiple options as you can see right there. Then we'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you need to do is scroll down. You can select if you would like to use this offer. But for now, I'm just going to be selecting no. Then once you have done that, all you need to do now, I'm going to connect my Shopify store. So I'll tap right here. I have a Shopify store already. Then we'll tap on continue. Once you have selected continue, it will redirect you to Shopify. Then you'll tap on install. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And to do product research on AutoDS, the first thing you'll need to do is select where your customers are mainly located. So for example, let's say you'll be mainly selling to persons located in the United States. You're going to select ships to United States. Then you're going to select a supplier that is close by. So for example, I'll select United States. Then we can choose different suppliers. So to get the best shipping time, I would recommend that you select multiple suppliers. So we're going to select AutoDS, AliExpress. You can also select any other shipping supplier as you can see right there. You can change the currency if you want, and you can also select a particular price range. Then you can simply scroll down and you can select the category that you'll be selling from. So we'll be selecting electronics and gadgets. Then you can scroll down and you can select from best sellers, or you can select fast shipping. And by the way, with AutoDS, by scrolling down, you'll be able to see the estimated shipping time of each product. So when it comes on to best sellers, most of them will be between 11 to 14 days as you can see right there. But if we were to select fast shipping, you can see when it comes down to fast shipping, you'll be able to get products for within 4 to 6 days, as you can see right there. Now let's say for example the product that I'll be selling would be this product. We'll select import draft. After you have selected import draft, you can tap right here, click here to track progress, or you can go over to the left hand menu option and select products. Then from there you'll just select drafts. After you have selected drafts, you'll scroll down and you'll be able to see your draft product. So you can see right there it is currently creating the draft. Once it has been fully created, from there you will select view details and you'll be able to view the product. And when it comes on to AutoDS, one of their standout features is you can toggle on price monitoring. So you'll be able to get a notification whenever the price of that particular product has changed from the supplier. So you can also adjust your product. You can also see stock monitoring, so you'll be able to see when the product is low from the supplier. So these are two of the standout features when it comes onto AutoDS. Also, with AutoDS, you can use their AI feature to optimize title. You can also use it to optimize the product page and so on. So if we were to go onto the product page, you can select optimize description with AI. And you can also select the variants that you would like to add to your store. So you can select variant. For example, this product has 3 variants. You could select the variant that you would like to delete, and you could select the trash can to remove it. To choose the image that you would like to add to your store, you will select images, and from there you'll be able to select the particular images. Once it has loaded up, I'll also be showing you how to import it. All you need to do is go to the top page, and you'll top of the page, top right hand corner, and you'll be able to tap on save and import. You can also create a sample order if you want. So you could select create sample order if you would like to, for example, get the product to create an ad or so on. And talking about ad, when it comes onto AutoDS, they also offer the option where you get AIs that you can use to create UGC ads, so you don't actually need to have the product in hand. And if it is a case that you would like to import reviews from Judge Me, you can do that. Once it is to your liking, you'll add the product, and if we were to go into Shopify, for example, you can see a product that I've added right here. And to view the product, you can tap on the product name. Then from there, if it is a case that you like to see how it would look on your store, you can select preview, and this is how it looks at the moment. And you'll need to further customize your Shopify store to make it look even more appropriate and in turn convert even more. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and select products, you'll be able to see all of the products that have been added to your store. You'll be able to see the variants, and you'll also be able to see the quantity available and the orders and so on. And talking about orders, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, from here you can select orders, and you'll be able to monitor your orders from this section. So from here you'll be able to do your order fulfillment. So when a customer places an order on AutoDS, it can automatically be fulfilled with the supplier. So to break that down even more simpler, you don't manually go to the supplier and place the order. The software handles it. So yes, you can review orders before automation if you prefer. Now let's quickly talk about some key features when it comes onto AutoDS. First, automatic price monitoring, just like what I showed you earlier. You also have the option to do bulk importing, and they also offer print-on-demand integration. So if it is a case that you like to do print-on-demand, you could select print-on-demand right there. They also offer tracking number updates, analytics dashboard, so you'll be able to monitor everything by selecting dashboard right here. You can see which products are performing best. Now let's quickly go over the pros and cons of AutoDS. First, starting with the pros. It saves hours of manual work, it's beginner friendly, it's an all-in-one solution, and it is also scalable. Now let's talk about the pullbacks. First, there's a monthly subscription pricing, and there is a slight learning curve for the first week, and it is not a guarantee of success. You still need marketing. Now, automation doesn't replace strategy. You still need good product selection and marketing.